Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be looking for the source of the Vermilion River placer gold. I'm about 2 hours north of Sudbury, and the place I want to test is about 1 kilometer through that bush, and it doesn't look very inviting. It looks awfully thick, but we're going to try to get there, so stay with me. As expected, it's pretty thick in here. Looks like it's a cutover, an area that's been harvested. All the trees have been harvested and it's been planted, looks like about, I don't know, maybe 25 years ago. So little jack pines everywhere. Makes it very difficult to walk in a straight line. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't look too edible to me. The bugs are surprisingly not bad today. It's a bit cooler, and I can't believe I haven't seen a deer fly yet today. Okay, so I made it down to the water. Why I wanted the water wasn't so much that that was the place I wanted to search for gold, but that's a source of water at least. And if I do find it anywhere else up here, at least I can have a source of water. But I think I'm going to start off by checking the shore and see if I can't see any gravels in the area. Awfully steep. And what do we see in the water? Gravel. Lots of gravel. Okay, I guess I'll break up my equipment and start testing this. Now you can see the material I'm taking out. It looks just like a sandy gravel, a lot of granite. Not a whole lot of organic material, which is good. So we'll get a bucket full of this and I'll run it through my little high banker slash sluice box and see if there's anything in here. I want to show you a better look at these rocks after they've been cleaned. You can see mostly granite, many of them almost perfectly round. Look at this. Looks like a granite with a piece of quartz inside. Very interesting. This looks like a pretty good spot to set up my sluice, but I gotta do some house cleaning first. Well, it's far from ideal, but it's going to have to do because this location is pretty rough. I'm pretty sure my battery is a little bit weak. That's why I'm not getting the pressure I need. Water, or some of the sand is hanging up on the riffles. Hopefully it lasts long enough to get the job done. Even with such a steep angle, the material is still hanging up on the ripples. Just not enough water. Okay, so that's one full bucket. Hopefully I saved some of it with my setup, which was, I must admit, terrible. It was probably too steep and not enough water. But there are a lot of heavies trapped in the mats. So I'm going to clean that out and see if there's anything in there. Try to get that camera a little closer. See if I can pan with one hand here. And yes, there is gold here. Not a lot of black sand, but I see 2 spots of gold. 2 flakes of gold up near the top of the pan. See if we can see them again. There we are. At the top of the pan. I'm going to break out my other camera and get some better pictures for you. Well, not much of a result, but a result is still a result. And now I know that the gold, at least within the first 3 feet, is very sparse. Almost non-existent. Very little black sand, 1 little speck of gold. I think I'm going to try a few more places just along the shore, and if it doesn't get any better, then I guess I'll try somewhere else. I passed a few good creeks on the way in here with similar geology, so maybe I'll give those a try. I passed this place along the way, and I thought of it as a pretty good place to try panning. And it's just right off the road. Didn't have to work so hard. So it might be worth investigating further along down this river, or maybe even up in the bush a little bit. But as you can see, the sun is starting to get low in the sky. I got a long drive, and I'd like to thank you for watching Exploring Northern Ontario. We'll see you next time.